somebody, call somebody, need somebody. I need some good sauce. Clean sauce. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. I just ain't my girl. I just purple rain, purple rain, purple rain.
So we're gonna jump right into this look. I'm taking this purple shade from the Morphe 35A Create palette and just going over my crease with this shade. It's a pretty deep purple, so start off small and then add as you go. I'm just doing like wispy motions and holding the brush like towards the end. And then I'm going in with this orangey shade, just like focused in the outer crease a little bit. And also on the lid a little bit. Just making sure it's all blended. That's very important per usual. Especially if you like blown out looks, which I do, so I have to make sure I blend. And I'm just taking a clean, more fluffier blending brush and just making sure it's all seamless. And then my trick for like a cut crease, I place it like on my lid and then I look up, and that like helps me indicate where I need to, put the concealer to cut the crease, and it really, really works. I just went in with like a little peach shade. You can use any shade really, it's just to set that concealer. And then I'm going in with the Stila Magnificent Metals shimmer shadow in Smitten, something like that, kitten something. And then I'm just going in with that first purple shade again and like deepening up the look and above that cut crease there, so it's more prominent. And then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Lumi True Match foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations, honestly. And then I'm just gonna use Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and just like get the product, where I need it to be. And then I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender and really just like blend it out. Here I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and then I'm also going to go in with Shape Tape because sometimes that's a little too light. And then here I'm just going in with my City Colors highlight and contour palette and just using like a deeper shade for my contour. Just blending everything out per usual. And then for my nose, I like to use like a brush just because I like that to be a little bit defined. Then I'm gonna go in and blend out everything else. Make sure there's no harsh lines because that is no bueno. And then I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder and translucent and just clean up all the areas. And for the lower lash, I'm going in with that purple shade, just like centering it in the middle a little bit. And then I'm going in with that Smitten Magnificent Metals eyeshadow again, a little bit. Bronzing up with the Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer, of course. What else do I use? Perfect Bash. And this is actually a Rimmel London lip liner. I forget what it's called. And then this is a ColourPop lippy stick. I think this is my new like summer combo because it's so pretty. It's like not too nude, but also not like too pink. I freaking love it. And I'm using a LA Colors like High Shine lip gloss I got from the dollar store. Yath. And I'm just gonna layer that over top. Yes, the fucking dollar store. Go cop up. And now I'm gonna pop on these new super stacked lashes by the Boldface Cosmetics in the style Not So Basic. I fucking love these. I think they're my new favorite. I love them. And then I'm just gonna set my face with the Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray all over before the best part comes. And this is actually a dupe for the Amrezy highlighter, and it's like spot on. This is the Bomb Cosmetics Mary Luminizer, and I've had this for fucking probably like 3 years. I love it. But I just recently seen on Trend Mood that it was actually a dupe for Amrezy, and it's pretty similar. Amrezy's is probably a little more like yellowy tone. This is more like kind of like white opal toned. Yeah, this is like white gold. Hers is like kind of like yellow gold or has like yellow reflex in there. But nonetheless, it's still an amazing highlighter, and I've had this one for years. I love it. Bitch, I did not expect to be this beat. I was like, oh, okay. I was just, going with the vibes. And this is what I got. I hope you guys love it, like me. And see you on the next one.